Hi class, my name is Alyssa Biber and it is nice to meet everyone. I currently am living outside of Philadelphia in the suburbs of Delaware County and I'm super excited to start this class and meet all my new classmates. I had originally started this program in January of this year, 2020, and so I started off with a lot of different peers in my classes, and unfortunately, I had to take a little bit of a break in between, and I now get to meet a lot of new faces, which is great. And currently, professionally in the field, I am a drug and alcohol counselor at Bowling Green Brandywine, located in Kennett Square. That is an inpatient drug and alcohol rehab that is co-ed, and we house about 150, 160 patients at once. We have detox, inpatient, as well as a partial hospitalization program that we offer through our treatment center. And what I like most about some of the classes in the past that I've took so far through this program is learning a lot of different therapy techniques. I remember learning um, how to, I can't remember, I think it was called nonviolent communication. There we go. It's ringing a bell. It was a couple classes ago. And just teaching those individuals how to communicate better and hear each other all at the same time. And that's great to be learning different techniques like that because I can actually utilize that in real life time in therapy practices with my clients as well. And I look forward to this class in exploring different history and background on some of the social or societal issues that we have currently. But I'm not going to lie, I'm not really looking forward to having to do a lot of in-depth reading, although I know most of this program is kind of learning on your own, doing all that reading and research. I do enjoy that, but um, I'm kind of having to crunch right now with everything at work and getting my schoolwork in, as well as also tending to my two beautiful little children. I have a 5-year old and a 2-year-old boy. So they keep me on my toes as well as being so actively involved at work and through my education. So I look forward to working with everyone and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.